Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause.
So guys, you know I had problems with my GoPro in last video because the cam was starting to fog. I removed this lens because one guy told me that in comments. I cleaned it and dried with my fan, so I hope that problem is fixed for now. So it's nice cam, but having that problem. Also, it's just possible to charge it over the PC. I don't know why. This is my 4. It was possible to charge it over the PC, wall charger and everything. Also the camera is broken, so sometimes it's working and sometimes it's not, because my battery exploded inside. So yeah, and this is the GoPro 5 from my friend, and he's possible to charge this cam just over the wall charger, while on the PC it's not working. And this is my lens, 52mm. So I'm going to use it now to make some cinema footage. I'm not sure, do you know, but Maya has own bike, also own YouTube channel, also Instagram. You can follow Enduro Maya. So I'm going to wash this bike now because it's really dirty. I'm going to show you a few clips from Maya, and please subscribe to that channel also.
Jebota ne te jebalo, jebem ti materi, ne. How? Tell me just how. Ah, I get stuck. You can even push it here. Yeah, there's no place. Yeah, but I can't get to it. Oh my god.
You need to push it just a few minutes.
5 months.
So it's time to repair my Sherco with broken plastic. So I don't need much tools to remove this, just 2 tools. So let's begin. It's really easy to remove the seat on Sherco. Okay. So I'm going to first remove the 10 screw. Yeah, it's going really fast because it's not over tight. Also, I think I bent the radiator in the front. I used some Loctite under these screws because the Sherco has a lot of vibrations when it's standing, but when you ride it, then the vibrations are gone. So, yeah. So I broke this plastic from one crash. I crashed on rock, so yeah, shit happens. But yeah, that is Enduro, so yeah, it was really easy to remove it. So you see this plastic is broken here and on this side. So I'm going to make some holes and use 2 or 3 zip ties here. So I can ride it, but I will order the full plastic kit for this bike. So yeah. So zip ties. I'm going to use this drill. So okay. So like this. So this is just so I can ride without any problems before I get a new one. So yeah. So this is the Bosnian style fix. So what you think about this? Please comment. So I need to remove these sharp things. Because it's going to touch the tank. So yeah. Also I'm going to make some holes here down. Yeah, it's holding okay. So now I'm going to install it back on the bike. So I'm going first to start with this 10 bolt, and I'm going to use a lock light, but blue one. So you don't need too much light. So yeah, the side is fixed now. I'm going to now to clean the air filter. So for cleaning you need gloves. Also you need have something where you can put the filter cleaner, but I don't have any special, so I'm going to use this one. It's not the best, but it's going to make some job. Now you need to remove the old air filter. So this air filter is really special because it's double size of normal air filter, and it's protecting the bike really well, so I like it. So you see how dirty the air filter is from outside, and when you flip it, it's almost like new one. So that is because I just use this one. So this is the best company for enduro filters. Trust me, get one and you're going to be really happy. It's going to save your bike from dust and mud. So this is the filter cleaning. So I think this is enough. So it's important to first put the filter down and let it to remove the oil from the filter. And don't turn the air filter inside to the down, because then dirt will go inside of the filter and that is not good. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And you see the filter is clean. Now you need to let it dry for some time and then you can re-oil it. So this is the first filter. I have few more, so I'm going to clean it also. So I'm not sure how good you can see, but inside it's really mud and you can see it. So clean your air filters often. So tomorrow I'm going to install the air filter. So for today it's finished on the Sherco, and yeah.